So recently I was approached by a guy in the IKEA car park, and he wanted to know if it was normal that when I unlocked my car the headlamps came on and so did the fog lamps, because his didn't, and it's actually a setting in the car. So let's go through what you need to do and where you need to be to change that. It's done through the home screen of the Audi MMI, so we're just going to press back continuously on the centre console buttons until it takes us back to this screen, and then using the rotary dial select the car icon and then press down to select. So in the Audi Drive Select menu, we want to be looking for systems in the bottom left hand corner, and we're going to use the corresponding button on the centre console to select that. And then we want vehicle settings, so press down on the rotary dial to select that. And then from here we want exterior lighting, so we're going to scroll around and then select that one. And then under this menu of exterior lighting, you want to be selecting the lights when unlocking, and if that's set to off, then you can select that and you can toggle it round and select that to on. And then you've also got the option above it where it says lights when leaving car. Sometimes when you walk away from the car, the lights can be on, second guessing whether they actually will switch off. If you don't want the lights to stay on, you can change that to off. Back out of the menu, and then just give it a test. And there you go, looks great. And you'll find your car much easier in a dark car park.